Hello friends, myself Gauri Kulkarni, lecturer in chemistry from Arihan College of Arts, Commerce and Science College, Pune. Today we are going to study halogen derivatives. The parent family of organic compounds is hydrocarbon. Replacement of the hydrogen atom in aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbons by halogen atom results in the formation of halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. Classification of halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons are classified mainly in two ways: on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen atom is bonded. The halogen derivatives are classified as haloalkanes, haloalkenes, haloalkynes, and haloarenes. Structures of haloarenes, that is monohaloarene, dihaloarene, and trihaloarene. On the basis of number of halogen atoms, halogen derivatives are classified as mono, di, tri, or polyhalogen compounds, that is CH3CH2X and ARX. Dihalogen compounds are C6H4X2, and trihalogen compounds examples are C6H3X3. Here we can see classification of monohalogen compound. Alkyl halides may be primary, secondary, or tertiary depending on the substitution state of carbon to which halogen is attached. Primary halide, that is RCH2X, secondary halide, and tertiary halide. Then allylic halides, these are the compounds in which the halogen atom is bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond, that is to an allylic carbon. Benzylic halides, these are the compounds in which the halogen atom is bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to an aromatic ring. Here we can see the structure of vinylic halides, that is CH3, 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 CH double bond CH and Cl. Then haloalkyne, when a halogen atom is bonded to sp hybridized carbon atom, it is a haloalkyne, that is HC triple bond CX. Then aryl halides or haloarenes, that is structure of bromobenzene, then fluorobenzene and 2,4-dichloromethylbenzene or 2,4-dichlorotoluene. Here we can see name of some halogen derivative. First one is CH2Cl, common name methylene chloride, IUPAC name is dichloromethane. Then CH3CH2Br, that is ethyl bromide, and IUPAC name is bromoethane. Then isopropyl chloride having formula CH3CHCl CH3 having IUPAC name 2-chloropropane. Then we can see methods of preparation of alkyl halides. Alcohols can be converted to alkyl halides by using strong acid. That is, strong acid converts OH to its conjugate acid, which is good leaving group, and can proceed through SN1 or SN2 mechanism depending on substrate. Then from alcohol, the most widely used method of preparation of alkyl halide is replacement of hydroxyl group of an alcohol by halogen atom. The hydroxyl group may be replaced by halogen atom using halogen acid, phosphorus halide, and thionyl chloride. And second one is by using phosphorus halide. Alkyl halide may be prepared by action of phosphorus halide on alcohol. Phosphorus tribromide and triiodide are usually generated. Here we can see the reaction ROH plus HX in presence of ZnCl2. We will get alkyl halide, that is Rx plus H2O. Then ROH plus NaBr, that is sodium bromide plus H2SO4. We can get RBr plus NHSO3 plus H2O. Then ROH plus PX3. We will get alkyl halide plus H3PO3. Then ROH plus PCl3, we will get RCl plus POCl plus HCl. Then ROH, red phosphorus, we will get RX, and ROH plus thionyl chloride, we will get RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. Then next, from hydrocarbons, alkyl halides are formed from saturated as well as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Halogenation of alkene is not suitable for preparation of alkyl halide, as a mixture of mono and polyhalogeno compounds is formed. Alkyl halides are formed on addition of hydrogen halides to alkenes. More examples of addition of hydrogen halides to alkane, that is for unsymmetric example, that is CH2 double bond CH2 plus HCl, we can get CH3CH2Cl. Here we can see the example by taking 2,3-dimethyl 2-butene plus HBr, we will get product 2-bromo 2,3-dimethyl butane. Then cyclohexene plus HI, here we get product iodocyclohexane. Thank you.